Come on, dude. No, he's just gonna fly and he wants to go. He likes to go on heads for some reason. Watch. He's probably gonna fly him out of his head. Watch. He likes heads.
He like crying.
He does. He likes heads. See him?
He fell on your back.
I know, and he might go and fly on your head.
Hey, eat him.
You see him? Don't scare him.
Hmm?
Where is he?
On your back.
Hi, little dude. Hi. You want to come here?
Hey.
He might fly on your head.
Hey.
You want him to fly on your head? Don't. Okay, don't scare him. He might go on your head. Let's see if he'll go on your head.
Huh?
Where is he?
Flying. Right here.
He might. Put your hand out. He'll go on your arm. Go like this. Put your arm like this. Ooh, ow, his feather just went in my ear.
Ah.
Ah! No, put your arm up here. There he goes.
Ow.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's right here on your
Is he on
back.
my head?
On your hood.
Where?
On your hood.
Oh, hi. Ah, he's tickling my ear. Come here, dude. Put your arm out and he'll go on your shoulder. Come here.
No.
Well, come. He's not going to hurt you.
Ah,
Come here.
I'm gonna
Go like this and he'll go on your arm.
No, I thought it go on your arm.
You want him to go back in his cage?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
You want to go on your arm or on your back in the cage? Come here. Come here, dude. Hey, come here. Oh, you want him on your arm? He's going to go to you. Put your arm out by him.